video for you guys. Recording customer's car that I'm working on right now. I just finished a pair of headlights for him. So right now I'm in the process of installing them. He has I think it's an 04, I think it's an 05 TL, and he has the 07 08 bumper on it with the A-spec lip. So right now I took the bumper off and everything. I did the headlights yesterday, so now I'm in the process of putting them back in the car. I'm in the process of adding in the load resistors for the LED turn signals that he has. So it's the LED turn signals he has and everything, and then LED fog light bulbs. So I'm gonna install all that, put everything back. That's what I'm in the process of doing. And in the process of doing that, I checked and I see that his engine mount is completely busted. He's going to be replacing that real soon. He bought this from a guy. I think it was a couple months ago. I'm not too sure. But it had a lot of stuff on it. This has to do a lot of rewiring. And definitely because the guy where the HID kit plugs into the factory ballast, he tapped this wiring harness into it and ran this wire into it and then another HID kit wire into it in order to plug the bulbs in for the fog lights, instead of him just running a completely different wiring harness through the car to just be able to turn the fog lights on and on by itself. Would have just been the better way to do things instead of just tapping into the wires. But I guess, some people do it that way. Me, I like it independent, where you can, turn it on and off. Even if you have the headlights on or not, you can still turn it on and off whenever you want. So right now, I'm just gonna he did the same thing on both sides. He did it on this side, and he did it on this side. And he left the wiring with no electrical tape on it. He connected this connector to this goes into the ballast already, the factory ballast. So this gives the factory ballast power. So he's taking power from the factory ballast in order to power this. And it goes to this wiring, where they tapped it into this wiring, into another set of wires that go to the fog light bulb. It's crazy. But all I can do right now is just go over what he did and what the other guy did, and try to correct it. We're gonna be pulling these wirings for fog lights that he put in, connecting to the factory headlights. We're gonna be pulling this weekend and redoing it with the actual wiring harness by itself, so he can turn them on and off when he needs to properly without any issues. I just wanted to make a quick update video. This is what I've been up to while I haven't made videos for the past 2 days. I've been working on his car and his headlights and stuff like that, and I have another customer's headlights that I'm working on right now also. So I've been a little busy. So right now these are the headlights. I'm gonna throw these in and I'm gonna catch back the video so you guys can see what they look like. So I changed the bulbs inside, the D2S bulbs, the turn signal bulbs, and the fog light headlight bulbs been changed too, so replace those. Now this lens here on this headlight, I'm gonna put a picture up showing you guys what it looked like, of what the lenses look like before I refinish them, because one of them was hit. I think it was this one was hit here in the front. So what I did was I wet sanded it down with 400 grit sandpaper, and then went over it with 1,000, 800, then 1,000, then 2,000, then 3,000 grit, and then I polished it out. I compounded and polished it out, and this is the after effect. Didn't even look like it was actually scratched or hit, but I'm gonna put those pictures up so you guys can see. And this one was just really oxidized, had a lot of yellow on it. So I'm gonna do that video for you guys, and let me put everything back and put the headlights in, wire everything up so you guys can see everything working, up and running. I got the headlights in, looking fresh. Excuse my language. Headlights are in. Now I gotta put the bumper back on, put the fog lights back in, put the fog lights on, and the car's good to go. And the customer's good to go to come get the car. I'm gonna show you guys some after shots of what it looks like. 20 lights on and everything. Finished. Job. He definitely has an 07, 08 bumper on an 04 to 06 TL. That's why the bumper's like kind of cracking a little bit on the paint and stuff like that, but he's gonna get that repainted. So this is the headlight. I refinished it, added the switchbacks, took out the orange and painted the inside. So this is what it looks like from far away. And then I added low resistance for the turn signals. It's a blink slow. So blink slow, nice and slow. He got the 07, 08 mirrors also. And then the other side, turn signal blink slow. Cause I added low resistance to it also on the other side. Brand new headlight bulbs, brand new everything. Oh yeah, and I have LEDs in the fogs. Turn on the fog lights. And the fog lights are on too. So this is the LED fogs, the new headlight bulbs, and the switchbacks on. Alright, let me know what y'all think.